We're at Assembly Square in Somerville for NAIOP's Somerville Surge event.
Users of commercial real estate, both office and lab space, have always been interested in Somerville. We really see these projects that we're talking about from Assembly Row, Union Square, Cambria, Somerville, as unlocking that opportunity to headquarter and grow in Somerville.
We're in the midst of a growth boom, which we're really excited about here, and talk about how we are approaching development here in Somerville and where the opportunities for partnership and synergy are with the investment and development community.
The biggest thing is the Green Line that's going to introduce transit connectivity that hasn't existed since the early 1900s, and that's going to be a real game changer.
We're really excited about the city, about the authenticity of all of its places as a culture and as a vibe, and we think the market for tech and life science is really interesting here.
The development that's happening today was built on a quarter century worth of planning by the city of Somerville, by the state of Massachusetts. So we're all grateful for the city and state's efforts, but we're here today as a consequence of all that planning and then all of the energy that we have put into this, and I say we being the collective group here.
What's really nice about the developments that are happening here is that they're not changing the character of Somerville. It's a diverse community, and these are diverse developments.